friends, I am Professor Shashikala Zadav. Welcome to our channel English Guru. My dear student, in this video we will discuss about figure of speech of the poem Have You Earned Your Tomorrow by Edgar Guess. Let's discuss the figure of speech. Student, activities on figure of speech will be asked for 2 marks in your board examinations. Name and explain the figure of speech in the following. Find out an example of figure of speech. Pick out 2 examples of given figure of speech. Identify and write the lines from the poem which express the following figure of speech. Activities like this will be asked you. Let's discuss the figure of speech in the poem Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? Line, is anybody happier because you pass his way? Interrogation figure of speech occurs because question is asked. Next line, does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? Interrogation figure of speech occurred because question is asked here. This day is almost over and its toiling time is through. Alliteration figure of speech occur because consonant sound t is repeated. Next line, is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? Interrogation figure of speech occur because question is asked. Did you give a cheerful greeting to friends who came along? In this line, interrogation figure of speech occur because question is asked. Another figure of speech occur in given line, transferred epithet. Because adjective cheerful is transferred from human being to his, her behavior. Next line, or a churlish sort of howdy and then vanish in the throng. Interrogation figure of speech occur because question is asked here. Were you selfish, pure and simple as you rush along the way? Oxymoron figure of speech occur because opposite ideas, selfish and pure, place side by side. In this line also inversion figure of speech occur. The correct word order should be pure, selfish. Next line, or someone mighty grateful or a deed you did today. Interrogation figure of speech because question is asked. That you help a single brother of many that you fast. Interrogation figure of speech. Question is asked here. Is a single heart rejoice over what you did or said? Synecdoche. The word single heart represent any human. In this line, personification figure of speech also occur. The body part has personified here. Does a man whose hopes were fading now with courage look ahead? Interrogation figure of speech because question is asked. In this line, antithesis figure of speech also occur because opposite words fading now and look ahead shows contradictory ideas. Did you waste the day or lose it? Was it well or sorely spent? Interrogation figure of speech because question is asked. Also alliteration figure of speech occur because consonant sound so is repeated. In this line also antithesis figure of speech occur because opposite words well and sorely shows contradictory ideas. Next line, did you leave a trail of kindness or a scare of discontent? Interrogation figure of speech because question is asked here. Antithesis figure of speech also occur in given line because opposite words trail of kindness and scare of discontent shows contradictory ideas. You have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today. In this line, interrogation figure of speech occur because question is asked. Metaphor also occur in this line because tomorrow is indirectly compared with future. Thank you for watching our videos and don't forget to Subscribe our channel to notification about our upcoming videos. Thank you.